monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey, my Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. One Freestyle this morning is all about some breakfast, and we're talking about a healthy breakfast. We're talking about some oatmeal porridge, guys, and we're talking about the Hooray Freestyle way. But before we go any further in the video, guys, I'm asking all my new viewers to just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. You know what it is now. It's now time for us to chef up some delicious breakfast, our oatmeal porridge, the Hooray Freestyle way. So just stick and stay, guys. You know the vibe. Freestyle. Right here are the recipe for my oatmeal porridge. And as you know, guys, oatmeal is a very healthy meal, especially for breakfast. So right here I have my Quaker oat, the ground cinnamon, almond essence, nutmeg, a tin of Nestle condensed milk, and it's now time for me to go ahead and start the preparation for our oatmeal porridge. So you know the vibes. So Freestyle Nation, just like when I'm cooking, I just love when my food whatever I'm cooking is full of taste, full of flavor, you know what I mean? So right here, guys, is my pot with some water, as I'm not doing too much porridge because I realize that my household is not a lover of porridge except for me. I will eat porridge every day, guys. So right here I have some ground cinnamon. I'm gonna put the cinnamon in the water, and right, we're gonna leave the cinnamon in the water to just go and boil up, you know what I mean, just go and get the flavor there. And I must tell you guys, the flavor of the cinnamon is just simply amazing. If you know cinnamon, you should know what it tastes like, what it smells like. It's just a different vibe, you know what I mean? So right here now, Freestyle, I'm gonna go ahead and start the preparation. Right here is my oatmeal. Put my oatmeal in our container. After putting my oatmeal in our container, guys, I'm gonna add some water. Not too much. Okay, we're gonna mix. Now Freestyle, we're going to add some nutmeg. We're gonna add some nutmeg to our oatmeal. As you know, these are the main spice, the main ingredients. So I'm going to use about half of a nutmeg. That's about it. And right here, guys, we have some almond essence. We're going to put about 2 teaspoons of this, and guys, this gives the porridge a nice flavor. And if you realize, guys, I don't have any vanilla, which is one of the main ingredients. So guys, if you're making porridge, make sure you have your vanilla. I'm just out of it right now, but with the nutmeg and the almond essence and the cinnamon, I should still get that nice taste and that nice flavor from it. So, you know what I mean? It's kind of optional if you should ask me. So right here, guys, my oatmeal is now mixed with my nutmeg and my almond essence, and my ground cinnamon is already in the pot boiling. So I will now go ahead and add our oatmeal to the pot. So by now, guys, the smell of the cinnamon is just a vibe. So we're gonna put our oatmeal in the pot. After adding the oatmeal to the pot, Freestyle, what you want to do, you want to make sure you stir, because you don't want your porridge to lump. freestyle, we're going to add a pinch of salt, not much. Here we go, a small amount of salt. Then we're going to stir. I'm just going to cover my pot now for about 8 minutes. Then when we come back, it should be completed and it's time to sweeten our oatmeal. Now freestyle, we're almost there and it's now time for us to go ahead and sweeten our porridge. And as I said before guys, we're using Nestle condensed milk to sweeten our porridge. When it comes down to oatmeal, especially for a morning meal, especially for breakfast, you can't go wrong. Oatmeal is full of health benefits and it's just easy and light for a breakfast menu. So here you have it guys, my oatmeal porridge should now be sweetened. I'm now going to give it a taste and see what's going on for it. Here you have it freestyle, nice and thick. You don't want your porridge to be too thick and you don't want it to be too watery. So what you're seeing right here should be quite fine. I don't make porridge without my vanilla because you know the flavor you get from vanilla is just a vibe. It's just a flavor that always stands out in whatever you're making that you use vanilla in. So I'm gonna give it the next taste. Nice. So freestyle, since we're not using the vanilla, I'm gonna add some more of the almond essence in it. We're trying to bring up the flavor somewhat. Even though we have this, we have the cinnamon and we have the nutmeg that already give it that nice flavor. But if you know what I'm talking about, guys, that flavor that you get from the vanilla is just a different kind of flavor. So guys, as for your oatmeal, it is very simple, very easy to prepare, and as I said before, very delicious. If you're on a rush and you want something to eat before you get out of the house, before you go to the door, this is something that you should consider. Oatmeal porridge, very easy to prepare and very delicious for your breakfast. Now it's time for me to go ahead and share, and as you can see guys, nice and rich, nice and delicious, nice and tasty. We're talking about some authentic oatmeal porridge, the Orange freestyle really. So it's now time for me to share. And freestyle, I'm gonna tell you this right now, as a Jamaican, once you got oat porridge, cornmeal porridge, whatever porridge you got, you have to have some water crackers, otherwise known as top crackers. And how we do it, we just drop it in the porridge and it's around. And if you don't have no water crackers, the tough crackers, you can always use the hard bread. Hard bread good with porridge. If you're not Jamaican and you don't know them something, you need to try them out. Piggyback on it, man. Try the thing them, you think them nice. So it's now time for me to dig into it. It survives. On an early morning, guys. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. You can't go wrong when it comes down to your oatmeal porridge. So until next time, my viewers and subscribers, catch you in the next one. And guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't been subscribers yet, the subscription button, become a part of the Freestyle Nation family. So you know the vibe, freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribers yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.